friends, hope all of you goes well. And this is another new review here for 350 which new colorway. And this one is the Israfil. So let me show the size label on the shoebox. You can check the size label here. And this is the Europe size label. And we also have US size label. So please remind us when you order if you want US size label. We also can get it. And now let me show the details of this pair. You can check the whole side here about the strap. This is the plastic strap, and this is the tan color. And for the pattern on the below of the strap like this, with the two kind of different color mixed together. And for the upper, it's the blind knit technology. So for the upper, it's a really comfortable one, and it can wear very comfort. So you can check about the back side here. It's curved shape. Check out the whole side. And turn to the front. You can look the front. You can see about this kind of stitching in the middle here. How good. And about the shoelace, this one, the design on the shoelace is different from other, which got the lace lock here with no there's no lace tape. And the shoe tone. It's about the inner side. You can check out the inner side about the blind knit. And this color. And about the midsole is the transparent one. You can see through inside the white bust. And turn to the back side. You can look the middle. The stitching same as the stitching on the front part. And about this one, this part on the midsole here, with different color. This part linked to the whole bottom. And check out the bust. Okay, and about the inside, the back side of the here got 3 strips, and this is 3M material. And about the color with this kind color. And about the shoe part, it's really flash color. Okay, so and now let me show you another one, the whole side and the front and the inner side. And this one got 2 tags. And back side. The bottom. So this is the new color of Yeezy 350 V2. What do you think with this new color? So cover or drop. If you want to list copy one, please don't forget to check out on my web link to copy one and check more details there. If you have any question, please contact with our Megan secretary. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.